Welcome to the 8th video of the step-by-step series on using MFis wire to draw a wire bond layout. In the last video we just created a 2D drawing, we derived it from a 3D drawing. And now we will also add the bond wire coordinates, the bond point coordinates. So let's start. This is our 2D drawing and we want to add some coordinates, for instance here. Before we do that, we have to specify which should be the reference. So what we do, I just create a new sublayer here of 2D drawing. The sublayer is called references. Okay, I choose a red color. And now I define some points which should be our reference. So the center of this fiducial mark, for instance, I have to enable the center snap. I disable some other snaps. And I just use the point tool. I can right click to define multiple points. So I have to change the layer to this, the red one. Okay, I use the center here and also this endpoint and this endpoint, this one and this one. And now we can start adding some coordinates. So, okay, we do some first sublayer here, coords. We make this the active layer and I use this tool, ordinate dimension. So I need to specify what is the reference, the base point. It should be for the diode this one. And I can adjust, or I need to snap the point, so I have to turn on point snapping. I should maybe turn off the other snaps. Grid snap I keep. So I can just click here and maybe just drag to where I want to have my coordinates displayed. It looks like these are just too big. I want to have the text a bit smaller. We can do this under dimension, annotation styles. We can select the default annotation style. We could define an own annotation style for bond wires, but since we are probably only using coordinates here, we just use the default and modify this default for this document. We just click edit and under font you find the size. It's set to 1 millimeter. Let's change it to 0.3 millimeter. Click apply. Okay, and now you might rather prefer to have it in microns. So what we do, under length unit, we change it to microns. Here we have the model units of the document which are millimeters. Would be great if we could change it here, but unfortunately here micrometers are missing. So, but what we still can do is we can just multiply the value by 1000 and click apply. Okay, so we have now always 2 zeros at the end of the number. Let's just change this to, where is it? This one. I think you didn't see the whole window. I don't know why it's now inactive. Model units. I click OK. Yeah, let's again open it. Tools. Options. No. OK are there. Now I can change it here to 1. OK. Now it is what we want to have. OK. Now we can just continue. Let's again use these two tool and put the coordinates, add the coordinates. Also here and here, And now we want to change the reference to here, so we have to click base point here again and select this point, and then we can continue here. Okay, then we need to indicate the y coordinate of this row, of this row, and of this row. Okay, then we go on the substrate, we select this as base point, and we can indicate the y coordinate of the row and the x coordinate of each bond foot here. And the same here is a bit more complicated. Here we have more feet which are staggered now, 2 rows of bond wires. Okay, and also here and we are done for the power wires. And now let's do the same for the control wires. I'll create a new sublayer, coords, make this the active layer, and also for the control wires I do this. I think that's it already here. This pad here, 2 coordinates. Okay, and now on the IGBT gate pad, we have again to change the base point to here and add the coordinates here. Okay, looks like we're done. So we like now to put it in a PDF. What we do is we go to File, Print. We select the printer that prints to PDF, like Microsoft Print to PDF, and choose here the view extends, so it just what is around it will use, and if you choose viewport it will just print what's in your viewport, so extends is better. And I recommend to set a fixed scale with 4:1, it just fits here. And here you center the geometry. I think that's everything, and then click print. And you print it to a file. Let's call the file 2D drawing. Okay, it has been printed. Let's check how it looks like. 2D drawing is here. Okay, this is our 2D drawing. Let's zoom in a bit. Okay, we have everything here. The points, start points of the wires, the coordinates, reference points, the stitch bonds, the destination bonds. Everything is here. Okay, this 2D drawing is done. You could use it now to program a wire bonder, print it to cleanroom paper, or use it on a tablet. I hope you enjoyed this video. The next video will be about rendering. Hope to see you there. Have a great day.